Get into the 2023 Ford F-150. This rugged F-150 is ready for work, off-roading, or little R&R. Military-grade aluminum alloy and high-strength steel give this full-size pickup the advantage of being both light and strong, so much so that it delivers class-leading towing and payload capabilities. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: pre-collision system, keyless entry, navigation system, adaptive cruise control, heated mirrors, satellite radio, heated front seat, electronic stability control, alarm, aluminum wheels. Don't miss the opportunity to get into this F-150, the pickup that's at the head of its class. Our team will give you an outstanding test drive experience. Stop in today.